In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Eventbrite account. Verifying your account is a quick, one-time task that confirms you control the email address you used to sign up. It helps secure your profile and ensures you receive tickets, receipts, and important updates. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step, and what to try if the email doesn't show up right away. Right after you create your account, Eventbrite will prompt you to verify your email. Click the prompt to let Eventbrite know you're ready to confirm. Then head to your email inbox for the message from Eventbrite. Open that verification email, and inside you'll see a link to confirm your address. Click the verification link. Your browser will open to Eventbrite, and you may be asked to log in again. Go ahead and sign in if prompted. Once that's done, your email is verified and you're all set. If that email isn't in your inbox, don't worry. First, check your spam or junk folder, since automated messages sometimes get filtered there. Next, use your mailbox search and look for the word Eventbrite. This can surface the message even if it was automatically sorted or you missed it the first time. If you still don't see it, request a new verification email from the Eventbrite login page. Choose the option to resend the verification message and make sure you enter the same email address you used when you created the account. Give it a minute to arrive before requesting another one to avoid multiple duplicates. If you're stuck after trying those steps, reach out to support through the Eventbrite Help Center. Explain that you're attempting to verify your account and include details like the email address you registered with and any error messages you saw. The support team can investigate and make sure the verification email reaches you. That's all there is to it. Click the verification prompt, open the message from Eventbrite, use the link to confirm, and log in again if asked. If the email doesn't appear, check spam or junk, search your inbox for Eventbrite, or request a fresh verification from the login page. And if you need a hand, the Help Center is there to assist. Once you're verified, you'll be ready to discover events, manage tickets, and receive all your confirmations without interruption. A quick note: verification links are time sensitive, so it's best to complete this soon after you sign up. Doing it right away reduces the chance the message gets buried in your inbox and keeps your access to tickets and event updates seamless.